Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about the TCS NQT registration issue, because lots of candidates are facing issue related to the application for drive, especially those candidates who have already given interview. So I have already made a dedicated video related to that, and there I have told you that if you have appeared for the interview, then you will not be eligible for the NQT off campus, because that is the rule of the TCS. Okay, so many of the students are saying that yeah, I have attended TCS Code Vita interview, and in next step side there is no option shown for me to apply for this drive. So that's the thing, because they usually apply the cooling period of 90 days, so you can apply after the 90 days only. Okay, so that's not possible to apply, and hope that you will be selected for the this Code Vita. Okay, so many of the candidates are saying, and one of the query that is being asked related to backlog, that I have one backlog or two backlog, then will I eligible to give exam. Then friends, what I will tell that you should participate in this NQT hiring, and main thing that at the time of joining you should not have any active backlog. Okay, so if you have backlog, then you should also apply, because this type of hiring will not come again. Okay, and one of the other query that is asked related to ninja role for everyone or only for 2026 batch. So actually there is a confusion currently, and they haven't clearly mentioned all the things, but currently they have just mentioned the role of digital and prime. Okay, so that's the thing I want to tell. And one candidate is asking, I'm already placed as TCS Ninja 2026 on campus, I'm not seeing any apply for drive button, so what to do? So if you have already been placed, then what is the meaning of applying again? You will get separate mail for the अपडेशन रोल अपडेशन अदर थिंग्स, बट अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो गए तो फिर से क्यों अप्लाई करना, एंड वाई आर यू वेस्टिंग वन सीट इफ़ यू आर एलिजिबल टू, that is of no of use. Okay, you will get upgradation test and other mail that I will make a dedicated video later. Okay, so main things who are applying still, I have already uploaded a video related to photo and resume. You should follow all those rules and regulations, otherwise you might get rejected in all that things. Okay, so photo should be 35 into 35 dimension, and it should be formal. And please don't DM me on WhatsApp related to photo that is this right or is this wrong. That is not a good way. Formal, I think you know, have clear cut idea what I mean to say related to formal. So apply accordingly. And other things that I want to tell, again, start preparing for the NQT, especially aptitude, then coding. And I have already made a dedicated video related to roadmap for the NQT preparation, so I will also pin this in the comment box. So if you haven't gone through it, go through it. That will basically boost your confidence, and you will get idea that how to prepare from the scratch. If you have some preparation, then also you should go through it, because it will give you idea. And there I have also provided the free preparation material that will basically helpful for the NQT hiring. So I hope that will be helpful. And if you have any query, you can ask. Then coming to next important question that lots of students asking related to TCS tag test interview result. So when it will be announced? So friends, soon your Code Vita interview result will be announced, and previously actually it take around 2 months to declare the result. So you have to be patient in case of TCS. Okay, they actually give the result in different phases, so you have to wait for your turn, and whenever the result will be out, I will make a dedicated video. No need to worry about that. So these are some of the query that you are facing. I hope now your all doubt is clear, but if still you have a doubt, you can ask here. I will feel very happy to help you. And if you haven't joined our WhatsApp or Telegram group, must join there, because there I am sending you the latest opportunity and other things. So hope and best of luck for your NQT preparation. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.